I'm kind of a purist with fish. I like them just simply fried, nothing fancy. So I was kind of intrigued when I saw that Philippine fish ball recipe in one of my magazines here. And I must say, they turned out really, really good. And that's why I want to share it with you. Here we go. Obviously, we need some fish first. My recipe recommends haddock for its mild flavor and its general softness, but I bet other fish would make for an interesting combination as well. I get the fillets into my kitchen machine and make it into a paste. For the next step, we need to mix starch with water and salt. It's super annoying, but very necessary to avoid chunks of starch in the balls later on. Then pour that mess into the fish and run it through a kitchen machine or a blender like I'm doing here again. You know, get it mixed really well. Then you just knead it a bit, and I'm just folding it in with a spatula because it is enough of a dough right now. Let it rest for a bit in the fridge, and then it is time to roll the balls. Mine are a bit more like patties, but I do that so it's easier to fry them in a bit. I made the balls patties definitely a bit smaller because I'm kind of scared that they will fall apart, and here we go. Hoping they won't fall apart. Ooh, they're starting to float. They're starting to float. So I set to get the floating ones out. That's what I'm doing. I wonder if I can use this broth as a soup base. I'm not big into fish soups, but technically speaking, it should be possible. Yes. Yeah. That's why I try to yeah, I'm just gonna fry these, but not in front of the camera. But as you see, they're getting like kind of poofy. Okay, not this side yet, but they get kind of poofy, and the color looks really good. All right, I'm doing this in the kitchen. This is too dangerous to do it in the studio. Another thing. Don't fry in Teflon. Always try to use steel. The only reason why I used my Teflon one was, filming purposes, because these don't look very good. So I transferred this to a steel one. And this is what we got. I made myself a hot sauce, not the one that's in the recipe, but just too lazy for that. Let's try it with the chunky sauce. The cats are loving it, by the way. They have had a fair share of these. I have tasted these alone, but with a soy sauce based, very spicy sauce, this tastes amazing. I can only recommend you to try this out. Yeah, I had a hard time getting the cats away from this. And I'm really sorry to anyone from the Philippines if I have butchered this. I truly hope that's not the case. And if it is, please let me know in the comments below. I know they tasted great to me, but if there is a better way of making it, I would love to hear it. You know the routine, liking, subscribing, and all that stuff. Just, do that if you kind of want to see more videos like this. And I thank you for watching till the end. Have a delicious weekend and see you whenever.